Friends and family of April and Thomas, welcome. And when these two got together, the first thing that went through my mind was, dear God. Two redheads usually don't get married, especially in Scotland. There's actually a law against it. Do you, Thomas, take April to be your wife, to be her constant friend, her partner in life, and her true love? To love her without reservation, honour and respect her, protect her from harm, comfort her in times of distress, and to grow with her in mind and spirit. If this be your pledge, say I do.
I do.
Do you, April, take Thomas to be your husband, to be his constant friend, his partner in life, and his true love? To love him without reservation, honour and respect him, protect him from harm, comfort him in times of distress, and to grow with him in mind and spirit. If this be your pledge, say I do.
I do. The first time, starting already. The first time I ever talked to you, I said to you that I could tell you everything about yourself that I needed to know about you. And even though it was true, I was still wrong, because back then I didn't know that you couldn't sit still for more than 2 seconds before you're up looking for something to do or build, or that dogs flock to you like you're some kind of canine messiah. I didn't know that you could recite every line of Shoot by Salt and Pepper without missing a beat. Or that you had a sweet tooth that was so extreme that I'm surprised you didn't end up in some witch's oven because she caught you eating her house. Most of all, I didn't know just how much I would need you and how important you are to me. I can't promise you that I'm always going to be the perfect wife or that things are always going to be easy. But I can promise you that I'll always be there to ask you how your day was when you get home. That I'm always gonna laugh at you while I'm fetching the first aid kit because you drilled another 2x4 to your hand. I can promise you that I'm gonna be your biggest supporter and your toughest critic. That I'll be there for every up, down, in between, and zombie apocalypse. I love you honestly more every day, and I can promise that I'll say that in 50 years from now because you're my rock. And you mean more to me than I ever thought would be possible that day that I thought I knew everything I needed to know about you.
Good job.
I made it through that all right.
Got him. April, you are many things to me. You are my best friend, my rock, my greatest adventure, my wildflower, and the love of my life. You are my everything. The day you walked into my life was the beginning of our story, the beginning of our life together, and I knew you were the one I wanted to write that story with. I'm so proud of you and all your achievements. And I promise to encourage all of your future dreams. I promise to stand by you through all of our triumphs and our struggles. You're the strongest, most selfless, loving person I know, and today I vow to be the man you inspire me to be. I vow to be loyal, to be patient, to be understanding. I vow to be the big spoon and keep your feet warm in the winter. And to crawl into every storm drain you drop your keys in. Today I marry you with no hesitation or doubt. Today I become your husband, your other half, and I can't wait to write our next chapter. I love you.
Is this the kiss part? Or?
Easy up there. It's my utmost pleasure to introduce to all who are witness, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and April Aiken. Thomas, you may now kiss your bride.
thought you were.